my beautiful viewers who are watching Kathmandu television. I am your host Anu and welcome to the second Nepal Pharma and Health Expo, day second, and another expo, that is Nepal Electric Power and Light Expo. As is the second day, we are here exclusive at the exhibition hall. So हामी तपाईलाई सम्पूर्ण day second को सम्पूर्ण जानकारी दिने नै गर्छौं. So let's get inside and find out आजको hype के कस्तो create भएको छ त यो biggest exhibition को लागि. So visiting different stalls at the exhibition hall itself, now I have come across Salve Pharma. So I can see a lot of organic things over here. So let's get inside and know more details about the Salve Pharma. So hello sir.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
I am good. So how are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you so much.
Is it the first time in Nepal?
So many times I've been.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for what is Salve Pharma?
So basically, Salve group of companies, you know. So we are into external applications, skincare, hair care. We are into pharmaceutical products. We are into cosmeceuticals, and we have other verticals like essential oils. And recently we've launched an organic range of, spices and seeds and flours and like that.
I thought like all your products are only organic. There is chemical product and organic product different also.
Yeah. So, but then they are like made safe, you know. Even the pharmaceutical products, the cosmeceuticals that we make with all natural products.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how are you finding the organic product being accepted?
Yeah, the awareness, the consumer awareness is increasing day by day, and the consumer more and more is wanting, made safe products and natural products, and the psyche is like probably the customer psychology is drifting towards that side.
So, you guys are the manufacturer?
Yeah.
Okay. So, where is your manufacturing?
Our works and manufacturing facilities in New Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you been supplying to Nepal, or like you're trying to build a connection in Nepal?
No, we have a distributor in Nepal. So we've been our collaboration now has been there for probably 4 or 5 years.
Okay.
But
so
we are exploring.
Can you
more.
tell us the name of the brand that you collaborated in Nepal?
It is sold under the Salve brand only. So probably our best sellers are, we have a product by the name of Sun Protect. So I'm made to understand that sunscreen sell very well in Nepal. Is it right?
Yeah, definitely. I think sunscreen is very important.
Yeah.
Very much important for our skincare also.
Yeah. So we've just had a bestseller which is for hyperhidrosis. So there are people who sweat a lot even in natural conditions.
Yeah, definitely.
That is known as hyperhidrosis. So we launched a product by the name of Sweat Go.
So you are telling about
Hyperhidrosis.
hydrosis. Okay. So stopping the sweat, is it good for health? I think the sweats will be coming out.
Excess of everything is bad. So probably the normal sweating is good, but then at times it gets humiliating, probably when people would sweat in cold winters, and they would have sweaty palms and all. So that is a medical condition, and that it has to be taken care of.
Okay. So that is also an organic medicine kind of.
No, that is a US FDA approved ingredient that we put in that. That is aluminium chlorhydrate.
So talking about Salve Cosmetics, and how do you find the Nepali market grabbing it?
Yeah, I think that kind of awareness is really growing in Nepal, and I think the potential is huge.
Okay.
Because when any economy opens up, people, skincare is one niche which grows very rapidly. Because when disposable income increases, people want to look good, they want to spend more on themselves. Yeah. So I think Nepal, in even times to come, has a huge potential.
Okay, so any last message from the Salve Pharma to our viewers who are watching Kathmandu television live exclusively about the expo that's happening today?
Our message is be safe, take care of yourself, and enjoy life.
So do you want to visit, do you want to call them for a visit at Salve Pharma at the exhibition hall?
Sure. I would really love to have everybody come and visit us.
Okay, thank you so much. This was Salve Pharma. So if you are looking for any cosmetic products or organic product that are very essential for your skin, do come visit at the Salve Pharma exclusively at the exhibition hall at Brikutimandap, Kathmandu. first. It's coming at first. I like it. So yesterday was whiskey. So today we will come at
What time?
11.
Thank you. Kathmandu television.
So we have come across day second, almost end of this exhibition ceremony today. So this exhibition is happening at the exhibition hall at the Pradarsani Marga. So भोलि पनि हाम्रो day 3 बाँकी नै छ. यो exhibition visit गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईले. Tomorrow is the last day of this exhibition here at Pradarsani Marga. So पक्कै पनि हामी काष्ठमण्डप live लिएर तपाईहरुको सामु भोलि पनि next day, last day of the exhibition आउने नै छौं. This expo is all about the Nepal's second pharmaceutical products and also the electric appliance all across the Nepal. So यहाँ आएर सम्पूर्ण जानकारी लिन सक्नु नै हुन्छ. Till then, keep watching Kathmandu Television SD.